Okay, so we're just up the line from Sutherland Avenue level crossing, and over that way is Trentham station. And here, you may recall from an old video of mine, there was a level crossing right here. Oh, this fence is not secured properly. You can see here the gravel where there's this light grey gravel here against the brown from the trees where this has clearly been all done up. They really have completely removed almost everything. There's some old signals over there, but those are not to do with the level crossing. Those are old railway signals. You can see on that side a little bit of the path there where the crossing used to be, and even I think that might even be the old control box for the crossing, because this was an automated crossing. It had been upgraded. It had Montrose lights, it had bells, and Western Cullen Hayes bells, it had electric gates. In fact, you can see there the concrete there with a bit of wires where the lights and bells used to be. You can see there's another on the other side there. There's even still some bolts there. So those would have been where the lights and bells used to be. But they've completely removed everything. All of the concrete paving has gone. Obviously to discourage anybody from still trying to use this as a level crossing. But yeah, completely gone. Why have they removed it? Well, they've now got the recently renovated Trentham station up there with a new second platform. So that means that has now got a new underpass going over it, going underneath it, as well as the footbridge. So obviously that's safer than the level crossing. It is also only a very short distance walk from Sutherland Avenue level crossing there, which has now had the pedestrian gates fitted to it. So that's now safer as a level crossing. Obviously it's a little bit inconvenient for the students at Hutt International Boys School there, and some of the other people who work in this area, and obviously the people who maybe live on this street, who maybe use this crossing as a quick shortcut. They're going to have a slightly longer route now, either going down to Trentham station or going over to the level crossing there. But probably, I mean, if you just went down to the level crossing there and just around, might add an extra 4 or 5 minutes to your journey if you were walking. But yeah, the level crossing here has gone. I think I did mention in my original video that I had been previously told that they were going to remove this crossing, and yep, sure enough, they have. So there we go, and that's it.